Now you see, we have a question to discuss here. The question asks you, which of the following animals give birth to young ones? Otherwise, the question is asking you, which among the following options are mammals? Okay, but the options given are not the common names of the organisms. So we need to learn little more about this question. Now option A. Option A says, the first one is about the ornithorhynchus. Ornithorhynchus. So ornithorhynchus is nothing but duck-billed platypus. Duck-billed platypus, which is egg-laying mammal. Egg-laying. It is actually a connecting link between reptiles and mammals. So egg-laying mammal. And in option A only we have echidna. Echidna is the genus of spiny anteater. So this is also an egg-laying mammal, but does not give birth to young ones. Now option B. Option B says Macropus. This is the genus of kangaroo, which is a marsupial which gives birth to the young one. So definitely a mammal. Now in option B only we have Pteropus. Pteropus is the genus of the biggest bats. So they are speaking about bats. Bats are mammals. So this is also a mammal. Now if you see option C, the first one says Balanotira, not Terra, Tira, P silent. This is nothing but the genus of blue whales. So definitely this is also a mammal. Now the second one says Homo sapiens. I really don't think I need to introduce this species to you. On daily basis we look them in the mirrors. So definitely human species, and they are also mammals. So because option D says both B and C. So in B both are mammals. In C both the given examples are mammals. So answer becomes D, because both B and C are mammals. I think I am clear.